thank you enough, ma'am. Whatever you have done for me, like I'm feeling little emotional. I'm so sorry for it,
It's
but
okay.
can't thank you enough. Uh, I was in very low life condition when I took this decision to get into the platinum, and inside my heart, I knew that this is something I needed. My husband, he was like, "You will not do anything." But I didn't inform him that I have taken it. And after few months, when he see changes in me, he was like, You have changed something you're doing." And then I got courage and I told him that I have taken platinum. You said no to me, but still I have taken it. And he was like, "This was the best decision you have ever taken in your life." And I was so great. I can't tell you that moment. I was so happy that that was the first thing I didn't inform him, and I did, and that was the best thing I did. So thank you so much, ma'am. Also, one more thing I would like to say. Uh, I got into the leadership in the January, and after that, there are few mothers who want to do the mission activities, but they have reason that they don't have time and something like that. But I am able to meet the inactive mothers to do the mission, and
Wow.
when they thank me, I feel so good that I am able to help them.
Yes.
I'm so thankful to you. I'm teaching everything from you only. I'm always thankful to you. Thank you so much for everything. Love you, ma'am.
I came to your call because I promised that I'll be there. And the same day, while I was on the call, I was packing the bags and we moved to a new house. It could not have been possible without you. Like, even before that, I mean, I guess we met on Thursday or Friday, I don't remember
Yes.
exact date. But
Friday. Yeah.
I waited for this moment for 13 years of my life and it happened in 2 days and it was so quick. I could not believe it. I still can't believe it. I still, whenever I just मतलब अभी जब घर पर भी जा रही हूँ तो हाँ सच में ये हो गया है ये मेरा घर एंड इट्स पॉसिबल बिकॉज इट्स ओनली एंड ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द पॉजिटिव एनर्जी विच यू गिव trust me I there is nobody else whom I can thank so much. You and God are like on parallel level. Your energy, it really helped. I mean, 13 years of struggle, dream, craving, begging, everything got like accepted within a fraction of seconds, and that was so quick. Trust me, I still can't believe that it happened. And I'm literally on cloud nine. I keep telling the leaders and the coaches and my accountability partner that guys, you have been there and that has been happened, and I cannot wait to share this with Riddhi.
Yes.
And this is amazing, amazing, amazing. I would want everybody who's on the call that whosoever is on silver, gold, or platinum, sorry, silver or gold, please take platinum and please come for calls. I am the most lazy girl, I think, or a woman who used to not come for the calls. But yes, this is going to change everyone's life. If it is changing mine, then everybody's. I still believe that I am the laziest to come for the calls. It's too much of waiting, and I heard the stories. I get my solutions also, but still my mind doesn't or stay focused. But yes, but if you are regular, you'll see the change. And
Okay.
thank you so much.
My son's birthday and my in-laws at my place, so they have went to office, but I still need to, like, it's can't detach from you anything, like any call I can't detach. I'll attend for half an hour, 1 hour. It's a dose, like a medicine dose for me, every call, whether it is inner circle call or something. I have never asked you related to my son ever question, because every question is like I am coaching someone. So it's very inspiring in every call. I want to share today that one Raj is there, like one man. He used to do Raj Ki Baat, like that, live podcast kind of. So he used to do on Facebook Live. So my husband was as he's an interior designer. So other vendors told him to do of my husband. Then I also met him at office, and my husband just introduced that she's my wife, she's a parenting coach. Oh, ma'am. Wow, so nice meeting you. You are the future of this world. And he's like, next month, I am broadcasting you. Like, podcast, you will be doing live with me on Facebook. We want you as a life, and I have many questions related to parenting. I guess many mothers will get answers from you. So, this is the best share, I guess.
Amazing,
Everything I share with you in platinum share related to my health, related to my wealth, everything. So this is something different, and I don't know. From many days, I'm imagining this thing. Ki I should have some live with someone, live with someone. I want that chance. I want that chance. Something to be in front of the media or something. I'm very fond of these things. I don't know, but I'm very fond. So I've never got a chance because of the families and then children and everything. Now, because of my husband, I'm getting many chances. So always
wow.
I'm grateful to him. Because of him, I'm getting many chances, ma'am.